Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're taking a look at an Xbox Series S. I believe console beeps on, beeps off, so if I press the power button, you'll hear it beep. Oh, and it's immediate. Do-do-do. Off. We don't get, we don't get anything else. Physically it looks fine, it hasn't been tampered with, the HDMI looks fine and all that. I don't think I've worked on a Series S before, so this will be an interesting one. We'll take it apart. We'll see if we can find anything visually. If not, there's I think it's called I2C, where you can use a PiPico to read error codes. We'll do all of that, and we'll see if we can get this bad boy working. So I'll set you guys up. We'll take it apart.
And while we do that, I would like to say thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay, the premier destination for top quality printed circuit boards. In a short span, PCBWay has become the go-to choice for seamless online ordering, rapid prototyping, and unparalleled customization. From hobbyists like myself to industry leaders, PCBWay has earned the trust through its commitment to precision and reliability. Cutting-edge technology and a skilled team ensure that every PCB meets the highest standards. Beyond circuits, PCBWay fosters a vibrant community of creators, turning ideas into reality. Join the innovation wave with PCBWay, where quality meets ingenuity.
Alright, so we looked around and we couldn't find anything. No shorts that I could see that are present on any caps or any coils or anything. So if we take, we're gonna connect to the PiPico. If we take a look at our computer, I'll leave a link to everything. If we go over to the Pico Durango Post link, there's a all rev diagram by Ace Console Repairs. Thank you very much for this useful information. This will show you how to solder your wires to it. So from your Pico, there's 3 wires you need that correspond to 3 points on the bottom of the Series S board. One is for ground, top one's for I2C clock, and then bottom one's for I2C DAC. When you download that in this repo, in the Pico Durango Post, there's also a software you need, which will be called the Xbox Postcode Serial Monitor. So when you plug in your Pico, you'll hit refresh ports, switch your corresponding console, hit connect. Once you hit connect, nothing will appear for now. If I give the console standby power, you'll see that it's going to start giving a whole bunch of stuff, right? And it's going to loop forever. And if it works, it works. And it'll tell you what it works. If it doesn't, it'll tell you the error code. In my case, these are the error codes. Error 091. I copied and pasted it here. And 091 is a VGFX core power rail error. Low resistance, not short. So we need to check 2 resistors here. Resistor 252 should be 12 volt on one side, 0.7 volt on the other. And 253 should be 0.7 volt on one side, ground on the other. If 12 volt is missing on 252, we need to make a jumper on that side. And if 0.7 volts missing, we need to replace 3 things: 252, 253, C395. If 0.7 volts okay, we need to replace U41, U52, U46, U48. Check for any corrosion or defective resistors, and also check U57. So I already kind of looked around. R252 is a 150K resistor. R253 is 10K, C395 is 0.1 UF 16 volts cap, right? So if we look at the schematics, here's what I'm talking about. R252, 150 kilo ohm 0402 resistor. R253, 10 kilo ohm 0402 resistor. And that goes to C395, which is 0.1 UF 16 volt X5R201 cap. Now, you may be thinking, where the hell is all that? So this is our board. I'm going to remove power for now. We're looking right over here in the front left APU, front left. There's this little chip. If I zoom all the way in, hopefully we can get it in focus. We're looking in this area. So there are 4 resistors on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th resistor from the left is R252. The one next to it is R253. So what we need to do is when it says 12, 0.7, on R252 we need to probe on the bottom here of that resistor, see if it's 12 volts. If we get 12 volt, on the top of it, it should be 0.7. If that's not there, check this one, 0.7, top one, ground. If 12 volt was missing, we would drill into this via, add a little jumper to give it back 12, and check our voltages. To check the voltages, I'm going to give this console standby power, I'm going to switch to the V. Right, we'll see it there. And if I probe black to ground, check that fourth resistor from the left on the bottom row, we should get 12 volt, which we absolutely do. Now on the top, which is 0.7. Do we get 0.7? We don't get 0.7. Then that means on R253, we're definitely not going to get 0.7. And the other side's ground, which is, you know, whatever. So now that means if we don't get 0.7, we need to replace R252, R253, and C395. So I have these resistors. I'll place those under the microscope. I need to find the cap. It's probably somewhere in this area, so I'll look for the cap. We'll place that. We'll see if it will power on. We'll see what the error codes are. So I'll replace these, and we'll come right back. So I recapped, I replaced the two resistors. So resistor 1, resistor 2, and the cap in question is right over here. Oops, sorry, right over here. So C395 is, it's not gonna focus, but you saw me, it's on the opposite side. So I placed this, I placed those. So let's see what our voltages are. I'm gonna try my best to get it under the get everything in the shot. But if you guys know of a good like I don't know, like Bluetooth thing that I can have it on the screen, that'd be nice, because that way like we can all see what's happening, versus like if I put it under a microscope you can't see the voltages I'm probing. But I'll try my darndest to get it all. Okay, so once again, we're looking at from the right, from the left, 4 resistors. The fourth resistor is, what did I say it was? It was R253, which was a 150K resistor. So if we probe that, we should still be getting 12 volt, which we are. On the top side now, we should be getting 0.7. So do we get 0.7? And look at that, we get 0.7. Now on the one to the left of it, which is R253, we should be getting 0.7 and ground. So I'm assuming directly across. Look at that, 0.7, and below it, nothing, because that's ground, right? So from here, I could try powering it on. I think the smarter route is going to be for me to solder back on the Pico. We'll read the error codes together and we'll see what it says. All right, so once again, Pico plugged in. We'll give it standby. Let's see, did we progress anywhere? Did we fix it? Or is there more? So if I open up the app and we hit refresh ports, remember to click Series S for that. Boot success. Boot success. 0.1 FF. 0.1 FF. General SMC shutdown. I think that's fine here. The actual error. Low priority. So I think we're good. I think that fixed our issue. So let's disconnect. I'm gonna clean up the thermal paste, put it back somewhat together, and we'll see if she booties up. All right, I got the console put back together enough to state that we can test it. So I thermal paste, just put the power supply, and I think this is the power button. So if I press power, if I got is this one the power button? One of these is the power button. Maybe it's this guy. Oops. I think let's try this guy. Ah, there we go. Press power. It stays on. Fan spins. And do we get... And we're gonna get inputs. Video. So wow, that was very useful. Cool that it told me kind of what to look at. I had to schematic it. I was gonna say that's fine. I had to use the schematics to figure out where R253, R252, and C95 are, along with the values. But if you know how to read schematics, you can figure that out. Let's put it fully back together and we'll come back then, but it sure seems to be working. Okay, we got it all put back together. Let's make sure it still boots. Power. Stays on. Doesn't shut off. And Xbox logo. Xbox logo. Maybe? Xbox logo? It's doing... There's something going on here. My input is... There we go. It's automatically designed to shut off. That's fine. So we got this one working. That's cool. It's crazy how much more useful that post tool is for the Xbox versus PS5 tools. But yeah, we got this done. That was cool. Got me to learn more about these consoles. If you thought this was useful, interesting, leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe. That's always useful. Thanks for watching me fix this, and we'll fix something else next time. See ya.